Okay, question 6 has given us a probability distribution. It's not one of those special ones like a binomial or a geometric, it's just one of the table distributions. And it wants us to work out E of y and the variance. So expectation, the formula for expectation, if it's just one of these distributions in a table, is the sum of the, well, usually it's the x values, but they've called it y in this case, times the p values, the probability values. So we're going to times these two numbers together, times these two numbers together, times these two numbers together, and add them all up. So that's going to be 1 times 0.2 plus 2 lots of 0.3 plus 3 lots of 0.5, which you can do all on a calculator, or you can just add up the bits. So that's going to be 2.3. The variance formula, if we're using a y, is the sum of the y values squared times by p. So we square these numbers before we times them by p, and then we take away the value of the expectation squared, so the square of this number, or whatever number it is if it's a different distribution. So we're going to do 1 squared times 0.2, 2 squared times 0.3, and 3 squared times 0.5, which is going to be 0.2, 1.2, and 4.5, which is, and take away 2.3 squared. So I will just type all that in on my calculator. 0.2 plus 1.2 plus 4.5 minus 2.3 squared gives me 61 over 100, so 0.61. So expectation 2.3, variance